To restart, get set, go.
Catatonia.
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 Catatonic. Catatonia.
Catatonia.
Shot 14, take 2. Shot 6, take 1. Shot 15, take 1. Shot 26, take 1.
Shot 24, take 1.
The shooting of Catatonia was an immense amount of pressure, especially for me. There were a lot of problems that we were going to face. We knew initially.
A lot was expected out of us within very less amount of time.
शूटिंग मेरे लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेक्टिक थी क्योंकि मेरी 2 दिन बैक टू बैक नाइट ड्यूटीज थी और मैं सुबह 9 to 9 आता था यहाँ पे शूट के लिए और उसके बाद फिर जाता था रात को हॉस्पिटल 9 to 9 नाइट ड्यूटी करके अगले दिन फिर से आता था 9 o'clock सेट पे.
The shoot was probably the most challenging shoot we have ever done.
The amount of exhaustion we had every day, going back to our places. The crew was very supportive, so the shoot was actually I would say it was a fun experience, but also very tiring. So there was a lot of pressure, but the crew didn't make us feel that there was anything that we weren't doing or somebody was not satisfied.
It's about putting your best foot forward, and the rest just falls into place as it did over here, I think.
I mean, it was really challenging, but it was a really amazing experience at the same time.
Action!
It was a difficult task for us to find a good understanding crew and who matched our vision, who could understand our story and our characters and our visualization.
इस शॉट में मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी जो पैनिक नहीं हुआ कोई भी बंदा कैमरामैन से लेकर के डायरेक्टर से लेकर के एक्टर से लेकर के सब.
Honestly, like the best people that I've ever met. I mean, there were a lot of people that I met for the very first time, and it seemed like I had known those guys for such a long time, and I absolutely had a blast. From the day one, it was very easy and fluid communication with each other.
When I talk about the crew, I think it is important to mention my ADs, Siddhant and Shirish, especially my brother Siddhant, including Anant Venkatesh.
मैं दुनिया बदलना चाहता हूँ.
Who is also the music director of the film. I think all three of them were the backbone of the film.
Everybody was ready to put the best foot forward at all times, or nobody backed out, and all of us were multitasking with a smile on our faces, really.
The actors are very friendly, very understanding, and in terms of their acting, I would say they're very hardworking. Gaurav Mughani is a cinematographer. It comes to his skills. He's from FTI, and with that said, it sums it all. We have to explain all our visualization, all our shots to him, and he could actually relate to them and project it on the screen like what we wanted it to.
कैमरामैन गौरव was like गौरव को मुझे मतलब थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ मैं कि इजीली हैंडल करा. कोई पैनिक नहीं हुआ कैमरे के आगे.
At each and every step they were supporting like anything. They made sure that you bring the best out of you, even as per their expectations and as per your expectations.
क्योंकि मुझे फील नहीं करने दिया कि तुम यार एक्टर हो और तुम यहाँ पे शूट कर रहे हो और काम करो. कभी नहीं लगा. मैं ऐसा लगा कि यार चलो काम हो रहा है, मजे करते हैं. तो कैमरा रोल हुआ और enjoying ये वाला हिसाब किताब था.
एक्टर्स को स्क्रिप्ट पकड़ाने का सीनियर वे में ये सब बहुत मतलब आई रियली लाइक इट. हमारा जो प्रिपरेशन था जिस तरह से शॉर्ट डिवीजन किया स्पेशली दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट. तो तूने जो डिफिकल्ट सीन थे पहले करे वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
They were always on time. We were working continuously, not even taking a break for 14 hours or 15 hours a day, and nobody complained. Everybody, the best part about the crew that I really liked was that everyone was eager to prove themselves.
Pre-production was, really challenging. To find the right place to shoot this movie and to get the right people who would be willing to work with us and put those extra hours.
The actors, the cinematographer, then the makeup, setting them all up was a daunting task. So there were times when we lost hope that if we'll ever be able to start this film. Difficulties on the set were comparatively less, but no shooting is completed without unexpected and unprecedented failure.
We had approximately 5 days to complete around a 30-minute movie. It was tough. It was very tough.
हम 12th शॉट ले रहे हैं और अभी तक लाइटिंग सेटअप हो रही है और रिहर्सल्स हो रहे हैं और प्रॉबेबली अब हम शॉट ले लेंगे, काफ़ी टाइम हो गया.
There was a continuous fight for clean audio. There was the lens broke in between. There was a power cut for a long time.
लाइट चली गई और हम लोग ऐसे ही बैठे हैं.
There were so many shots to be done, and all of the shots required different settings of lighting, different composition, different movement of camera.
The biggest challenge I feel for Team Catatonia was to make an indie project that actually did not look like an amateur indie project.
A lot of problems initially, like the role in itself was challenging, it was demanding. You had to exhaust a lot of energy. So yeah, there were problems, but when there's a problem, there was a solution.
Sound ready?
Sound ready.
Camera ready?
Camera ready.
Action! 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 And action!
फर्स्ट डे मैं थोड़ा सा नर्वस था कि हमारा जो ग्रुप बनने वाला है, लाइक जो कैमरा करेगा वो कैसा होगा, को एक्टर्स कैसे होंगे. और प्रतीक जो है बहुत लाइक उसको मैनेज करना आता है चीज़ों को. काफ़ी सारे नए बंदे थे, वो नए बंदों को किस तरीके से उसने कोलैबोरेट करा और सबका फ्रीक्वेंसी उसने समझी. टीम के पास सैड होने के लिए कोई इशू नहीं था, तो हम में से सभी ने हंसी खुशी सारी चीज़ें करी. दोनों भाई में केमिस्ट्री बहुत सही है, लाइक they both understand each other very good.
He's very strict and particular about things. He doesn't like to compromise and he wants the thing his way, and how he has thought about it, he wants it completely like that. The good thing is that he holds all the people and the crew and the set together so they don't get into a chaotic mess.
Well, Prateek has a completely different kind of personality when he's actually directing a film. A very introvert guy in general, he would come out to be like really strict. He takes he listens to your idea. He actually thinks over it. It's very input-oriented person. He expects out of you that you would be giving him ideas.
मतलब कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार मेरा कोई स्कूल फ्रेंड है, उसके साथ अब मैं एक्टिंग करने जा रहा हूँ, तो चलना यार चल फिल्म बनाते हैं. तो ऐसा हिसाब किताब लगा.
With full conviction, he explained the role, and he made it sure that whatever he wanted or whatever he wanted the audience to see, you bring that thing out of you.
And he knows how to present his artistic vision to the audience pretty well.
When I met him, was in a lot of angst, a lot of desperation to tell this story and tell this story in a way that people understand it. That rage who's raging inside, just fighting for a chance.
Final shot, take one.
So shooting Catatonia was a one-of-a-kind experience, and it was tiring, but I thoroughly enjoyed it.
You ask yourself continuously whether you are doing a good job, whether this film is a good idea or not. The best part isn't that the film has to be perfect. The best part is the learning that you get, the relationships that you build along the process of the film. I think that it is priceless.
The very idea of making an indie film with the only resource that we could afford really excited me as a filmmaker.
It was really nice. I Prateek ko bhi kal gaya. I was thanking him for this thing that he casted me in this project.
It is a dream come true. Dream come true.
मैं हमेशा सोचता था कि यार ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट हो जिसमें मैं लोगों के साथ जेल भी कर रहा हूँ and I'm having fun. इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में यही हुआ.
जितना एक्सपेक्टेशन थी मेरी कि इतना मिलेगा मुझे, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा मिला है.
Overall, the film is quite a trip, and it makes you wonder and question about a lot of things like morality and judgment. And I think it's what you would call a perfect package.
It was an absolute blast. It was a really really good learning curve for us, and we hope to make amazing short films in the future as well.
It was a feeling of discovery that, how a movie is made, what are the nuances that goes into making movies. I'll always remember that time.
And I would happily go through this painful process all over again and again, because when you see people watching what you've created and you see the wonder in their eyes, that joy and that feeling that you get is indescribable and just incredible.